Chapter 5 Staffing, Part of 46 Introduction, Meaning and Concept of Staffing. Introduction to Staffing. Staffing is the management function that deals with the recruitment, placement, training, and development of organization members. It encompasses the selection, training, and supervision of the activities of an efficient staff with qualified and studies able to assume supervisory positions at all levels in case of promotions and absence. It also includes the work of a manager in maintaining a high level of individual or group morale through the constant application of company policies and effective leadership. The concept of staffing is broad enough to include rank and file employees as well as managerial ones. It is now recognized as a separate management function. Previously, it is considered to be a part of organization function. The reason for its separation is to give proper emphasis to the actual manning of organizational roles. Further, in every organization, the interaction with the human resources is a tough job compared to material resources. Further, staffing function has assumed importance in the present days due to rapid advancement of technology, increasing size of organizations, and complex behavior of human beings. The management is to give due importance to the various aspects of staffing function. After industrial revolution, especially in England, at the end of the 18th century and starting of the 19th century, industry started production on a large scale. The production scenario changed. Large scale production system established there. Initially, there was no proper system for production. System of earning more profit at a less cost began. As a result, the exploitation of employees began. At the end of the 19th century, dynamic management leaders realized that in production, sensitive staff is more important than inanimate machines. They also realized that machines do not work automatically, but employees operate them. As a result, they realized the need for a scientific system for employees recruitment, selection, appointment, promotion, transfer, and training. In first chapter, we studied a small explanation about staffing. Their employees are considered arms and legs or limbs of unit. According to Dr. George Terry, staffing is concerned with availing and maintaining satisfactory manpower. Where there is a business organization, there will be existence of staff. Any organization without staff is like a mere skeleton. Activities of any business unit depends on its staff. Staffing is related with recruitment of employees for the right position at the right time in the right number with the right qualification. It also includes selection, training, transfer, promotion, dismissal, and retirement and welfare activities of employees. Enthusiasm and zeal of employees are boosted if they are satisfied. Ultimately, it will lead to increase in productivity and efficiency of the organization. Staffing function studies problem related to employees. The success of any business depends on its employees. In ancient time, employees is considered as one of the factors of production only. Passage of time, the importance of staffing going to increase. Many managerial experts they given more importance to staffing and give special consideration to manpower planning or staffing. Dynamic management leaders realized that in production, sensitive staff is more important than inanimate machine. It means that as per the situations and crisis, different employees are going to behave as per the situation, but not as inanimate things. That way, we can't consider human beings not only a part of production, it is very important for the organization. Without employees, we can't run any type of organization. That is why experts said about any organization without staff is like a mere skeleton. At present, staffing also includes manpower planning, human resource development, evaluation of work, job analysis, etc. It is also strong belief of every progressive management that a satisfied staff is an invaluable asset of the business. Meaning of staffing. The function of staffing is also as important as other functions of management. It is a process of development of an individual. In the past, human elements was not given due importance. Planning of business might have been done in the best possible manner, and formation of organization also might have been proper. But if the selection and training of the personnel is improper, then the organization cannot be successful. The success of an organization depends on the efficiency and attitude of its employees. Staffing is an activity of maintaining relation with the employees of the organization. In detail, the meaning of staffing. Staffing refers to the managerial function of determining and meeting the manpower requirement of an organization and of providing opportunities for the continuous development of its manpower talent. It is a key managerial function which gives life and meaning to other managerial functions. It consists a number of sub-functions such as manpower planning, recruitment, selection, placement, training, promotion, remuneration, performance appraisal, etc. These sub-functions are interlinked and serve as some of the determinants of organizational effectiveness. The main purpose of staffing is to establish and maintain sound personal relations at all levels in the organization so as to make effective use of personnel to attain the organizational objectives and care for their personal and social satisfaction which they always want. Coons and O'Donnell have defined the managerial function of staffing involves meaning the organizational structure through proper and effective selection, appraisal, and development of personnel to fill the roles designed into the structure. It is the process of identifying, assessing, placing, evaluating, and developing individuals at work. So the staffing function pertains to recruitment, selection, training, and development and appraisal of personnel in the organization. Concept of staffing. Once the organizational goals are set, the plans are prepared, and organization is appropriately structured to pave the path for achievement of the set goals. The next step is to provide appropriate personnel to fill in the various positions created by the organizational structure. The process putting people to jobs is termed as staffing. Staffing, the management function, involves adopting, appointing appropriate personnel, developing them to meet organizational needs, and ensuring that they are satisfied and happy workforce. Staffing is defined as a managerial function of filling and keeping filled the positions in the organizational structure. Personnel appointed are a combination of permanent employees, daily workers, consultants, contract employees, etc. Staffing includes identifying the recruitment of workforce and its planning, recruitment and selection of appropriate personnel for new jobs or for positions which may arise as a leaving the organization, planning adequate training for development and growth of workforce, deciding on compensation, promotion, and performance appraisal for the workforce. In the ordinary sense, the term staffing is not merely recruitment but also includes acquiring employees, training, and maintaining them in the organization. In a wider sense, it includes recruitment, selection, training, promotion, transfer, and providing various social security schemes and a facility to them to lead their life ahead. In shortly, staffing is the managerial function of recruitment, selection, training, promotion, and compensation of personnel. Staffing may be defined as the process of hiring and developing the required personnel to fill in the various positions in the organization. Staffing is related with the recruitment of employees for the right position at the right time, in the right manner, in the right number, with the right qualification. It also includes selection, training, transfer, promotion, dismissal, recruitment, and welfare activities of employees. In this section, we studied about introduction to staffing, meaning of staffing, and the concept of staffing.